So let's here make a histogram. The data below show the numbers of hours per week a group of students spent watching TV. What is the histogram that represent the data? We asked some students. Let's see here how many students we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have asked 15 students. Let's, as an example, ask grade 8, how many hours did you watch the TV? Some of you tell us 7 hours, 10 hours, 1 hour, 5 hours, 14 hours, and so on. I want now to make a histogram in order to represent this data. To make a histogram, I need a frequency table. So the first step, you have to make the frequency table, and the second step, you have to draw the histogram. So let's say here that the first step I want to make it is make a frequency table. This is the first step. Just you need to make a frequency table. Now, let's see. If I need to make a frequency table, you have to put a table from 2 columns. Then you have to put an intervals. If you want to put intervals, you need to find the minimum point and the maximum point. Where is the minimum numbers of hours that these students watch the TV?
0
and 1. 0.
Yes, 0. And the maximum?
22.
22, exactly.
22.
So now here,
22.
let's say that 22 minus 0.
22 plus 1, 23.
Bravo, it's a 23. Now, as you know, 23 is a prime number. So let's estimate it or make it search about another number that can be divided by numbers, not like 23. I mean like 23 cannot be divided. Either 1 or 23. It's a prime. I need now to round it to any number that can be divided. Exactly 24. So let's say that I need 24. So now you have 24. We subtract the maximum number minus the minimum number plus 1. Now 22 minus 0 is 22. Plus 1 is 23. We round it to 24. This is the first step. Now think about 24. 24, give me number. That's if you divide on it, you get, give me any number. 24 divided by 6 as an example.
8.
Give me 4.
You can say also 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3.
Yes, you can use this numbers 8 and 3. You can use 12 and 2 as you want. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. So that means you have to make an interval, and you can make an interval from, the length of the interval is 4, and the number of the rows is 6. Or you can say that the length of the interval is 6 and the number of the rows is 4. As you want.
Let's make 6 is the length.
Okay, let's make 6 is the length and 4 is the number of the rows. So that's mean, what's the meaning of 4 is number of the rows? That's mean here, when I come back now to my frequency table, I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And up here, let's write that. What is the unit? Here I'm talking about the numbers of hours. So you can say that's hours. And in the second column, we have to write the frequency. This is the first step. So then now we have 4 rows and the length of each interval is 6. Then, so we have to go now step by step. Then after that, we said that the minimum number is 0. So that means you have to start from 0. Since the minimum number is 0.
Yes, 0 to 5.
Then, just 1 second. I told you that from here we have 24 over 6 is 4. And we said that the length of the interval is 6. So that means on your fingers, count the first 6 numbers, start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you count them, you found that they are 6 numbers. Is it right?
Yes.
Yara. Where's Yara?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Yara. Stay with me now step by step. If you didn't understand, tell me.
Okay.
By now, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, we said that the number of the length of intervals is 6. So I have to start from number 0 because the minimum number is 0. And then you have to count the first 6 numbers. Why 6? Because I choose the length of interval is 6. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to stop here. So I will say from 0 to 5. Then the next one. What is the number after 5? It is 6. Then you have to put 6. The length of interval is 6. But now you have to start from 6. From here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11.
11.
So from 6 to 11. Now what's the number after 11 now?
12.
12. Now, as I told you, this is mean that there's no gaps. So let's choose 12. Now, the second number is 12. Up to, I told you that the length of interval is 6. So that's mean you have to make 6 spaces. The length of interval is 6. Make 6 spaces. The length of interval is 5. Make 5 spaces. Then fill the blanks. Sorry, here make 6 blanks. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. The length of interval is 6, so make 6 blanks. So from 12 up to 17. Then, what's the number after 17 now?
18.
18, bravo.
18.
So now make 6 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then start from 18. Yeah, now fill the blanks. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So now you end with 23. Is it clear now?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Right. Now let's fill the table. From 0 to 5. What does mean? That's mean I have to count how many numbers from 0 to 5 now. Yalla.
6 numbers.
4, miss.
And you have to search about 0, or 1, or 2, or 3, or 4, or 5.
So 6.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 numbers. So hey, I rewrite them here. 7, 10, 1, 5, 14, 22, 6, 8, 0, 11, 13, 3, 4, 14, and 5. So now we say that we choose 1 and 5 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 0. Then from 6 to 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yalla. 6.
We have 7.
And
Yes,
we have
8,
7. We have 8
8,
and
11.
and 10. Oh. So 1,
Yes, and
2,
10.
3, 4, 5. Now, from 12 to 17.
13, 14, 14.
13 and 14. And 14. So we have 3 numbers now. And from 18 to 23, we have only
22.
1 number. Bravo.
1.
Only 22. So after now, now we make our frequency table. Now let's make the histogram. How to make the histogram? The first step, make 2 lines that are perpendicular to each other. Then write the intervals that you have now. I mean, like on the x-axis, you have to write the interval. You know that this is x-axis, and this is the y-axis. Now, on the x-axis, you have to write the number of hours. I mean, like the intervals from 0 to 5, 6, 11. So here, write from 0 to 5. From 6 to 11. From 12 to 17. And then from 18 to 23. Is it clear? So the first
Yes,
step
miss.
here, write the interval on the x-axis. Then here, what is the maximum number of frequency? 6.
22.
6. Here, 1 in the frequency now. Look at the table of frequency. We have 6, 5, 3, and 1. Now see, to draw the frequency or to make the frequency table, look at the data. Now to make the histogram, come back to the frequency table. Don't look at the data. The data, forget it now.
Okay.
Then, so the number of frequency here, or the greater number is 6. That means we have to write 6 dashes on the x-axis. So here, this is 6. This is 5. This is 4. This is a 3. This is 2. And this is 1. This is here now the first step. Then, from 0 to 5, now I told you, it's an histogram. That means you have to draw bars for each interval. Let's start with the first one. From 0 to 5, bar is mean a rectangle. From 0 to 5, so you have to stop here. I told you that. You write it as 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is for each interval. Now the first one, you have to make a bar. This bar, it's a rectangle. Its width, it is from 0 to 5, and its length is 6. I mean, like you have to draw a rectangle here, but the frequency from 0 to 5, what is the frequency of from 0 to 5?
6.
From the table, it is 6. So you have to start from here up to number 6, make the bar. Then, what is the next one? From 6 to 11.
6 to 11.
Here, I'm here. Now, how many numbers from 6 to 11?
5.
5. So, you have to come, stop at number 5, and draw the histogram. Now, don't overlap. This is the meaning of overlap. يعني تطلعي فوقيها. Or don't make a space. Just make it stick with each other. And they must have the same space. But since my drawing is not accurate, you don't see that each bar is the same, or all the bars are the same. But see, they must have the same space. So let's now, if I want to make it as a simple same space, let's make it like this. Then the next one. The next one here now.
12 to 17.
Then now here.
12 to 17.
12 to 17, exactly. So now you have to start. Just 1 second, please. So then now here, from 12 to 17, how many numbers?
3.
3. So I have to stop here at number 3. Then from 18 to 23, how many numbers?
1.
1.
1.
Be careful here. I overlap on it. I make a mistake. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Do you have any question?
No, thank you, teacher. No, miss.
Yeah. Let's do another example here. The finishing time in seconds for the race are shown below. Here you have to make an histogram represent the data. 95, 105, 83, 90, 93, and so on. What is the minimum number? I think it's 82. No, it's 80. And the maximum number? 105?
105.
Yes. So then, subtract. This is the minimum, and this is the maximum. So 105 minus 80, 25. Is it right?
Yes, miss.
Then 25, I can divide it by 5. So that's mean I have to make a table from 5 rows, contain an intervals, and each interval has a length of 5. So let's make a table now here.
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes.
Why did we minus 105 minus 80? Why did we do this step first?
Sorry?
Why did we do this step first? Subtraction. Why did we subtract first?
Why we subtract?
Yes.
In order to find how many intervals you have to draw.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
You are welcome. Now here, we forgot to add 1. We say that maximum minus minimum, 25 plus 1, 26. But you can, so You can stop at 25 or at 27. Just 1 second. Let me continue here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, we have, what is the minimum number? We have 80. So 80 up to, we have the length is 5. So as I told you, write 80 and make 5 blanks. So 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84. Now, how many numbers between 80 up to 84? Look at the table here. Or look at the data, sorry. We have 80. We have 82 2 times. 83, do we have it? And 84.
Yes, teacher, we have 83
Oh, we have
beside
83 here, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have four numbers. Then, what is the number after 84? We have 85.
5.
And the length is 5 blanks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89.
89.
Then what's after 89? 90. Make
9.
5 blanks. Now I will repeat. Why 5 blanks? Because I decide that I need the length of interval 5. So 8, 90, 91, 92, 93, and 94. Then 5 blanks starting now from 95. So 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99. Then after 99, we have 100.
100.
104.
So
Yes.
let's make 5 blanks. 100, 101, 102, 103, and 104.
Mrs. Still 105.
So let's make another, or let's continue. From, and if
105.
if you have this problem like this, that you find that you didn't stop at the greatest number, just add another column or another row that have
So it's going to be from 105 to 109.
yes. So from 105, 106, 107, bravo, up to 109. Then yalla, from 85 to 89, how many numbers? From 85 up to 89. We have 89,
Only two,
9,
1, and 18, and then, yes, only 2.
only 2 numbers, bravo.
Only 2.
From 90 to 94.
2.
We have, do we have 90,
Four.
91,
Yes, teacher, we have
90,
90. We have
93,
93.
we
3
have
and
90,
we only.
only 2, yes. From 95 to 99. 1,
95 and 99. We have also 99.
well, yes, and we have 99, and we have 98. We have 3 numbers. Now from 100 up to 104.
102.
Only 102.
0. 100.
Only.
Only 102.
And 105, we have 1. Then now be careful. That's here. How many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we must see that if we add all of these numbers, we must get 13. Yeah, let's check. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2,
6.
8 plus 3, 11, 12, 13. Yes, it's correct. Because if you forget any number, you will make a mistake. After we make our frequency table, let's make our histogram now. Here we have 80 to 84, 85 to 89, 90 to 94, 95 to 99, 100 up to 104, and 105 up to 109. Then here we have the greater number of frequency is 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then from 80 to 84,
4.
we have 4. So we have to start from here up to 4. We draw our paragraph. Then from 85 to 89, we have 2.
2.
From 90 to 94,
2.
we have 2. And from 95 to 99,
3.
we have it as a 3.
Miss,
And
can
then-
you wait?
Okay. And then from 100 up to 104, we have only
1.
1. And from 105 to 101, we have only 1.
Only 1.
Now, but let's make him. There's no gaps. That's it. Did you finish now?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now, the histogram have 3 types. We have, if the bars are roughly the same height, like as you see here, after you draw them, you find that they are roughly have the same height. We call it, or we say it's uniform. But if we say like here, if you divide it into 2 equal halves, and you find that, and if you draw a vertical line, you find that there's the first half is as the same as the second half. We say that it is symmetric. Here, every time, just bring a vertical line. if you draw this vertical line, you will find that we have it, it's like uniform. They have the same height. So it is uniform. The second one, we have the first half as the same as the second half, so we say it's symmetric. And the third one here, that's if you draw the vertical line, you will see that the data as not, I mean like the peak or the maximum number of the data is not at the max, at the half, not at the middle, so we can say it's skewed. This is here the types of histogram. If it is go to the
Miss?
right, we call, yes.
Sorry, Miss, I didn't understand the skewed one.
The skewed one here, like here you have the maximum data. This is the maximum.
Yes.
Now, you see that the maximum, it's not at the beginning, it's at the end. So that means the data are skewed to the right. Skewed يعني هي بعد لهناك، منزاحة. رايحة لجهة الرايت. So right skewed, it means that they are going to the right. Don't say right to left. This is not from, I will not ask you about it. Just say that it's skewed. It's not uniform. The first step, ask yourself, are they have the same length? Or the same height? No. So it's not uniform. So the second question then, ask yourself, if I divide it into equal halves, if I divide into, or if I put the vertical line in the half, did I see that the first half is the same as the second half?
No.
No. So it will be skewed.
Okay, Miss.
Got it?
Yes, Miss.
Now, look at here. The first one, is it symmetric, skewed, or what?
Symmetric, teacher.
Symmetric, skewed, and uniform. Yeah, the first one. Look at them.
Symmetric.
Do you have them have the same length?
First, yes,
Uniform.
symmetric.
Symmetric. So do you have them have the same length? Like here?
No.
Yes, teacher. Oh. It's like it's uniform.
No, Miss. So they are symmetric and they have equal halves.
So you can write them. So that's mean you can assume them now that they are symmetric and uniform. Because they are actually have the same length, and they are, if you divide them into two equal halves, you find they are uniform. The second one,
Squeeze, teacher.
bravo. They are going now to the right. That's it. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
teacher.
Yes.
Okay. Now this is our lesson. It's finished. Tomorrow, inshallah, we are going to talk about the cumulative frequency table. It's very easy. You just solve one example related to it. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye, Miss.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mr. Miss.
Yes, Huda. Oh, yes, Basmala, sorry. I don't know.
I am best teacher.
Ah,
I have a small question.
yes.
When in problem 2, when we have 24, we can, if we divide it by 8, also we will get 4, and like this. If we change the number, I will also get the same answer.
Yeah, and no, you will get different frequency table and different histogram, but they are correct.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
You are welcome.
Have a nice day, teacher. Goodbye.
Bye bye.